If you are still printing PDF just to sign them, you can stop, because in next 3 minutes I will show you how to legally sign any PDF using a digital signature certificate inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. No printing, no scanning, fully valid for government and corporate use. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start from prerequisite first. So the first prerequisite here we need is Adobe Acrobat Reader, which fortunately is absolutely free from Adobe. So if you do not have Adobe Acrobat Reader, which I think the chances are low, but still if you do not have, simply go on your browser and type download Adobe PDF Reader. Alright, after you click on enter, you're gonna see first link belongs to Adobe, and still if you are in doubt, I'm gonna add this link in the description of this video. Now let's click on it. Now uncheck these options until you really want them, and then click on download Adobe Reader. Now click on the setup, and this will begin your installation. Since I already have installed, so it doesn't take any time for me. Alright, so we have completed process 1, which is having this Adobe Acrobat Reader. Next thing here I'm gonna do is I am going to create a digital signature certificate called DSC. If in case you have, then it's well and good, we're gonna simply use it. If you don't have, then worry not guys, I'm gonna show you how you can. For that, we need to click here on menu and then go here in preferences. Now here we need to look for signature, and here we go. Here we have signatures. Let's click on it. Now, as I said, you have two options. Either you can use your existing DSC or digital ID, or you can create your own. Now here we need to go in this option which says identities and trusted certificates, and click on more. Here you're gonna see all different kind of digital IDs that are stored in your Adobe. So here I can see some of IDs that I have created in past. Now here, in order to add existing ID, you can click here on add button. That gives you both options. Either you can, import your existing ID that may exist in a file or maybe in your pen drive. In that case, you can choose this option. And then click on next, and then you need to browse the file or browse your digital signature. And that's how you can install it. But here, let me show you how we can create a new digital ID. So simply click here on the second option and then click on next. Now here we need to select this first option, then click on next. Now here you can enter your identity information. For example, I can put my name, organization unit. So let's say I'm gonna say, and then name, and so on. After filling all the information, let's click here on next. Now here we need to add a password, and please make sure you set strong password such that it cannot be easily cracked. And the best way to create a strong password is to use alphanumeric. And make sure you remember it, because you may need it when you're going to sign any document. Now let's click here on finish. Now there is one more important thing that I wanted to tell you, that this is not a government valid DSC, it is just for internal signing. Now let's take an example how we can sign a document using this digital signature that we have created. For that, I'm gonna close this and let's open an invoice. Now let me show you how you can sign this document using your DSC. So for that, you can go here in all tool, and then from here you need to look for use a certificate. Let's click on it. And now I'm gonna click on digitally sign. And now here, using mouse and click, we can create an area where I would like to sign. So let's say this is the area where I want to sign. So this is the ID that I have created. I'm gonna select that and I'm gonna click on continue. Now here I need to enter the password. So let me put the password that I set up recently. After entering password, click on sign. Now I would recommend you to do it only when you have made all the changes in your PDF, because once you're gonna sign in, it will not give you option to further edit it. So I'm gonna save it after making all the changes to my PDF. And now here you can see here it says that signed and all signatures are valid. So this kind of shows anyone that this document is signed and is not tampered. So once somebody tampered this document, they will not see this sign valid option. Now let's talk about, I want to write it in a way the regular sign looks like. For that, we can customize it. And actually it is pretty easy to customize. For that, probably I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna open another PDF, and here I'm gonna create signature, and then you can draw to make it look more natural. Another way is you can scan it as well and save it as PDF. So here I'm gonna simply draw it and let's say this is my signature. Now I'm gonna click on apply and I'm gonna paste it here. Now here what we need to do is we need to press Ctrl and P and then click on the option which says Microsoft Print to PDF, or probably you should be able to see the option of converting it to PDF. Or let's say if you do not see any PDF option, then in that scenario also what we can do is we can convert it to PDF. I'm gonna save it. So here I have saved it in one location. Now again I will go here and I will say PNG to PDF. Now again you will find this site link in the description of this video, and this PDF converter will help us to convert this PNG file to PDF. And there you go. So we have now PDF available. And again I have just kept it back here. Now let me minimize it and let's go back to our Adobe PDF. Now again we're gonna go back here in menu, preferences, and then in signature this time I'm gonna go here in creation and appearances. Let's click here on more. Now here what we need to do is we need to click on new, and then I'm gonna type my title, for example Technoholic. You can type anything. Then I'm gonna say imported graphic. Now let's click here on file, browse, and now I am going to locate my created signature, which is this one, and this is it. Now let's click OK. Keep the remaining setting as it is, or if you want to customize, you can customize it. Now let's click here on OK, and then again click OK. Now next time whenever you want to add your digital signature, you go back again to same option, which is all tool, view more, and then use a certificate. Click on digital sign and OK. Select the area and then click on sign. Now again select the same signature, click continue, and from here in appearance, instead of select standard text, you need to select your name. Now here again you need to enter password, so I'm gonna enter password and then click on sign in. Now again you need to save your document, because once you sign in you may not able to make any changes, and then click on save. So in this way we just learned how we can digitally sign documents inside Adobe Reader with custom appearance customization in 2026. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with another productivity video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.